Hello? Okay. Listen. In a triangle, median, altitude, and centroid. Median, altitude, centroid. Okay. Median is different thing. Altitude is different thing. Centroid is different thing. Centroid also different thing. When in a triangle, when the three medians are intersecting each other, when three medians are intersecting each other, then we can say that is centroid. But when at least two or more than two altitudes are intersecting each other, that point is known as what? Orthocenter. Orthocenter and centroid are different thing. Orthocenter, what is that? When the in a triangle, any two altitudes or more than altitudes are intersecting each other at a point, that point is known as what? Orthocenter. But median is when three medians in a triangle. What is median? You know that the line joining from the vertex to its opposite midpoint or midpoint of the opposite side. That line is known as median. Understood? Once again I am telling. Suppose a line joining from the, listen carefully, the line joining from the vertex of a triangle to its midpoint of opposite side. That means any side and midpoint of that side is joining to the opposite vertex, that is known as median. So in a triangle, the three medians intersecting each other, that is known as what? The point of intersection of three medians, that is known as what? Centroid. Remember, in a triangle, let's carefully listen. The centroid, I will write it. First listen carefully, okay? So now board is not with me. So I will explain on your notebook. First carefully listen. So what I am telling? Centroid. A centroid divides the three median. Any centroid in a triangle divides each median in 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. Understood? What? In 2:1 ratio. Suppose there is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Carefully listen. Only while listening, you can also make a picture in your brain. What are the pictures? I am telling. ABC is a triangle. Suppose A is a vertex, B is a vertex, C is a vertex. From A to BC, a median is drawn. No doubt, the median will intersect at the BC at the midpoint. Okay, so that median A, suppose D is a median, and the D is point on BC. So AD is the median. Similarly, ABC triangle. Okay, from the, listen carefully what I am telling. Okay, without any pen and paper, your attention should be here. That's why you can understand. Okay, attention is very important to listen. Suppose I am telling ABC is a triangle. Is it clear? When ABC is a triangle, in your brain you make your triangle. ABC is a triangle. A is a point, B is a point, C is a point. When from A to BC the median is drawn, and here ABC, C to AB, another median is drawn. So suppose C to AB, suppose CE and AD and CE intersect each other at a point, suppose K, and that K is called centroid, and that K divides AD in 2:1 ratio. Understood? K divides AD in 2:1 ratio. Listen carefully. A to BC, there is a median, and in K is a centroid on AD, and K divides AD in 2:1 ratio. So two part is from vertex to K, vertex to or centroid, and one part is from side to K, side to centroid. The centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio. Is it clear? So one is centroid, second one is what? Orthocenter. When orthocenter, the altitudes are intersecting each other, and different type of altitudes are. Okay, then wait, I am telling. Look at here. Look at here. Listen here. I am just drawing the pictures. A. This is A, B, C. Understood? ABC is what? Triangle. And AD is median. Okay. And here CE. This is the CE. C is another median. And this point is K. Understood? The K divides AD in 2:1 ratio. That is 2 part. This is 1 part. From the vertex to the K, that is 2 part. From the vertex, from the side, midpoint. This is midpoint. This side equal to this side. From the D to the point K, that is known as what? This part is 1 part. This is 2 part. That means therefore AK is 2. AK is 2. KD, that is 2:1. Understood? This is what? The K is a centroid. K, that is known as centroid. Centroid. K is centroid. The centroid divides the median in 2:1 ratio. When 2 part is from the vertex and 1 part is from side. Listen carefully. भले ही सुनो ठीक, ध्यान दीजिए कुछ. The centroid divides each median in 2:1 ratio, and the two part from vertex side, 1 part from side, but from the side. Okay, from the side part, from the vertex part. Because the line this median is this 2 part. From the vertex means from A to K, vertex from the vertex part. From the side part D to K. बुझी पार्छु you. So DK and AK from vertex part. पूरा माने गोटे गोटे कथा जहाँ कहूची पूरा completely लाइफ में मन रख. एटा बेसिक जिनसडा एटा भूलिबोनी. बुझी पार्छ ना नहीं. आ सेही पार्टटा भूलेले हम कर परिबिनी. कारण सुनो बहुत कथा अछि तम पाखरे तमे जिनस जानिच बट तम पाखरे हथियार नहीं बा तम पाखरे वर्ड्स नहीं हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट दैट वन. You know how to suppose, listen carefully, you know how to operate a machine gun, but you don't have a machine gun. What to do? तुम गन चलिया शिखिच कि गन ना तो कौन कर सेमती तुम से जिनटा माने बुझीपार कि तुम वर्ड नहीं कौन लिखिले से मीनिंग बाहर. तो दैट मीन्स दैट वर्ड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, यू हैव टू लर्न. तुमको शिखिकी मन रखा पड़े से वर्ड गुड़ा. मु कहली हाँ आई मेड एट लाइन टे यार मिड पॉइंट सपोज एडी इज ए मीडियन हाँ एमती पॉइंट था से पॉइंट टा डिवाइड कर तुम जानी से पॉइंट टा कौन से वर्ड टा कौन दैट सेंट्रोइड दैट वर्ड इज सेंट्रोइड. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द वर्ड इज सेंट्रोइड डिवाइड्स द मीडियन 2:1. तो एठी किछि बुझिवार नै सेंट्रोइड टा घोषे कोन बुझे छै खाली गोष्ठी मन रखे वर्ड टा से वर्ड टा तुम पाहेला वेपन हथियार. दैट वर्ड इज इंपोर्टेंट टू एक्सप्लेन. पिला कहते से घोषिया बहुत जिन अच्छी आम लाइफ रे घोषिया पाठ आ बुझिया पाठ 50-50. गोटे पिला यदि किसी बुझिनी घोषला तो भी 50%. गोटे पिला किसी घोषेनी खाली बुझला तो भी 50%. जे घोषिला प्लस बुझला 50% 100%. बुझीपार कौन कौन मत एमती गोटे पिला देखा जी कि लाइफ में सब बहुत जिन बुझे कि कभी घोषेनी न घोषुआ पिला फेल हम ग्यारंटी फेल हम. तू घोषिबुनि मन रखिबुनि. हाँ एपीपीएल एप्पल घोषिबुनि. हाँ कौन बुझे अच्छी कौन बुझे अच्छी एपीपीएल कौन बुझे अच्छे मत किसी बुझार ना. एमती बहुत पाठ अच्छी एठू घर को जाऊँ रास्ता मन रखा पड़ो रास्ता एमती रास्ता मन रख भूलीजु बास इड साइड पलू भुवनेश्वर कटक पलू भुवनेश्वर ब्रह्मपुर पलू तो लाइन लेवल चेंज हो दुईटा कथा. तो बुझ कि न बुझ घोषिया को पड़ो कंपलसरी तार बुझाटा आडिशनाल 50-50 है. मो भ्यू कहार कौन भी मुझे जानी. ओके दैट्स एवरीथिंग आई एम हियर टेलिंग. सो एबे कथा बुझीगल कौन बुझल सेंट्रोइड डिवाइड्स द व्हाट ए सेंट्रोइड डिवाइड्स द मीडियन इनटू 2:1 ratio. Okay, now we'll discuss what the orthocenter. Very carefully listen here. ORTH orthocenter. Orthocenter what? The different type of triangles I am drawing. One is this is a triangle. बुझा वाले की कौन वाला? Another triangle is like this. Okay, there is different type of triangle. Do you know what type of triangle you can say? What type of triangle about this? Huh? No, you don't know about the different sides. Based on the angles you can tell. Based on the angles directly you can tell what type of triangle is this. Huh? Yes, acute angle triangle, because in this triangle all the angles are less than 90 degree. Okay, बुझ नहीं फटाफट कहूँ ध्यान दे सुना. If all the angles are less than 90 degree, that triangle can be what? Acute angle triangle. Here it is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle, this angle is 90 more than 90 degree. Suppose this is 120 degree. So this is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and right angle triangle. So right angle triangle is also directly, suppose this is 90 degree. That is right angle triangle. So in 3 cases, now we are going to draw the altitude. Okay, very simple way. From this, in acute angle, big picture I am drawing here. Acute angle triangle, acute angle. This is acute angle A B C. Okay, so for this triangle, acute angle from the vertex directly 90 here. From the vertex this is 90 degree, and from the here also this is 90 degree. Okay, so directly when the altitudes are drawn, the opposite vertex to the base, that is called three altitudes are drawn, and the point is known as what? Orthocenter. Directly orthocenter, orthocenter. But in case of a, very rapidly I am telling here, in case of a this is suppose this is a what? Optic angle triangle. So on the base BCA, for base BC, altitude is outside the triangle. This is 90. Understood? For base BC, altitude is AM. For base AC, altitude is inside the triangle 90. Okay. Then for base AB, this is the altitude. Understood? So look at here. One is M, one is N, one is R. R 90 degree, R and 90 degree. Now produce this altitudes. These altitudes are produced and at a point meter intersect each other. So directly this altitude may or may not intersect. So look at here picture. It may be, this is at least 2 altitudes. I told at least 2 altitudes. It may or may not be 3 altitudes. If 2 altitudes intersect at a point, that is known as orthocenter. Is it clear? Orthocenter. Similarly, this is also orthocenter. Orthocenter. Okay. So in a triangle, the altitudes you have to draw. Any 2 altitudes intersect at a point, that is known as orthocenter. In any medians, intersect medians. Here I told medians. Last presentation, yes. Here I told the 3 medians. Here also another median. So 3 medians intersect each other. That is known as what? Centroid. And normally the centroid is produced due to 3 medians at a time, at a single point. The 2 different orthocenters, 2 different centroids cannot be formed, but 2 orthocenters can be formed, because here 2 altitudes are required. Here for centroid 3 medians are required. Is it clear? Over. Next we will discuss more.